The ExoAtlet 2 is a wearable exoskeleton manufactured by ExoAtlet Asia. It is designed for patients with spinal cord injuries between T4 and L5 or C7 and T3, ASIA D classification, as well as individuals with stroke, traumatic brain injury, multiple sclerosis, cerebral palsy, and those recovering after arthroplasty. Use is limited to clinical rehabilitation settings, with trained therapist supervision required, and patients must have sufficient upper limb strength to use crutches. The exoskeleton provides 13 anthropometric settings to fit different body types. It supports users between 160 and 190 centimeters in height and up to 100 kilograms in weight. Adjustment points include thigh length, shank length, pelvis width, and foot alignment. Range of motion at the hip allows flexion up to 120 degrees and extension up to 15 degrees. At the knee, flexion reaches up to 120 degrees with neutral extension. Performance specifications include a walking speed of approximately 1.5 kilometers per hour and an average battery life of about 4 hours. To ensure safety, the device includes an emergency stop system, spasticity protection, and automatic joint locking for the hip and knee. All sessions require therapist supervision. Clinical outcomes show that 95% of spinal cord injury patients were able to complete walking tests with the device. Comfort levels were rated between 8 and 10 on a 10-point scale, and skin-related complications were minimal. Compared to the ExoNR, the ExoAtlet 2 weighs about 25 kilograms, while the ExoNR weighs around 100 kilograms, or 220 pounds. The ExoAtlet 2 supports user heights between 160 and 190 centimeters, while the ExoNR ranges from 150 to 190 centimeters. Walking speed is about 1.5 kilometers per hour for the ExoAtlet 2 and up to 1.8 kilometers per hour for the ExoNR. Battery life averages 4 hours for the ExoAtlet 2 and 6 hours for the ExoNR. Both devices are FDA cleared, and the ExoNR also holds CE certification. Market differentiators for the ExoAtlet 2 include its walking speed of 1.5 kilometers per hour, exclusive use in clinical settings, the requirement for trained therapist supervision, and the need for patients to have strong upper limb strength for crutch use. The novelty of the device lies in its sensor-driven adaptability. Integrated sensors adjust support in real time, adapting to changes in pace and stance while also providing personalized gait adjustments based on user feedback. Biomechanically, these sensors measure hip joint angles continuously during movement. This ensures optimal limb positioning and improves walking stability by maintaining safe joint alignment throughout each gait cycle.